In this video, I'll provide a demonstration of the app used to check in guest passes purchased at swimmingpoolpasses.net. Your community may use a smartphone, tablet, or desktop, and there are 3 different versions of this application. This video is shot using a Chrome desktop app. If your community uses a different device, it will look slightly different, but work the same way. Let's start by opening the app. The URL is swimmingpoolpasses.net. Your property manager will provide the API key. Check this box to have your device auto-log in the next time you open the app. The first screen shows how many guest passes have been sold and how many have already been checked in. The most important screen is the check-in screen. Click or tap here. Use your scanner or device to scan the patron's pass number. The number may also be typed into the field. Valid passes will scan green, invalid passes will scan red. An incorrect pass number will give an error.